some leftover chili that I made a while back and I put in my freezer. So we're going to make a chili cornbread bake. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Hey guys, Becki-licious here. And like I said, we're going to make something super easy and super yummy. The first is utilizing my leftover chili, and this is actually the very, very last of it. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm so sad. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this and put it into a baking dish. This is the first step. Pretty easy step if you ask me. Our oven is already preheated, 375 degrees. So we've got that already. So we're just going to get this all spread out in here. And then we're going to hop on over and make our homemade cornbread to go on top. There we go. So let's get started over here. All right. Super easy. We need a cup of flour. And I will attempt to not make a huge mess. Easier said than done, I know. So we've got flour, and then we have cornmeal, because you can't make cornbread without cornmeal. And a cup of that as well, obviously. This is going to be so good, only because it's got my chili in it. That's what matters. All right, a couple of teaspoons of baking powder. 1 and 2. And we're going to switch over and do a little bit of salt. Not too much. So we're going to get this all whisked together real quick before we get ready to add in our wet ingredients. All right, so we've got our dry ingredients all whisked together. So we're going to make ourselves basically a little well in the center, because that's where we're going to add in our wet ingredients before we get them all mixed together. So we're starting out with some milk. So we're going to get that poured in that little well right there. Yes, I was very sad when I looked in the freezer and saw that the rest of my chili this is the last of it. That means I have to make more, but we're coming into springtime, and I don't usually make chili in the springtime. But oh well. We have got melted butter, so we're going to throw that in there. And then some honey, because hello, honey is yum. Let me help get this all the way out, because I want all that. Trust me. I need all that flavor in my mouth, because I'm all about the honey. All right, so we're going to get this all whisked together before we add our last ingredient, okay? All right, so we've got everything all combined, and I'm going to add the last part, which is frozen corn. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and always click on that link tree for some other fun stuff, okay? All right, let's get this frozen corn in here and just very carefully get this all incorporated. All right, our cornbread mix is all ready, so we're going to get this dumped onto our chili, and then it'll be time to throw this in the oven. Yummy, yummy. All right, let's try to very gently get this spread around the ends, because we want this cornbread going all around, covering up all that yummy chili. Okay. All right. All right, this is ready to go into the oven. So let's do it. All right, chili cornbread bake is ready to go in the 375 degree oven, where it will go in for about 30 minutes. So check back with me in a bit. All right, this chili cornbread bake has actually been in the oven for about 35 minutes. I've been waiting for that cornbread to kind of get a little golden brown. So, oh, it smells amazing. All right, so we're just going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, And then we're going to
plate it.
Our chili cornbread bake is all done. And oh my goodness. Doesn't that look amazing? Duh, it's chili. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen with me. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. I know I did. But hey, before I leave, I do want to say a happy birthday to one of my oldest friends that I've known since high school, Jeff. Happy birthday, okay? I'm thinking of you. Love ya. So thanks for joining me, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.